Hello, today we will guide you through how to draw trend lines on MT5 Mobile. If you want to mark market direction more clearly on your chart, drawing a trend line is one of the simplest and most useful tools you can use in MT5. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to access the drawing tools and place a line directly on your mobile chart. To begin, open the MT5 app on your phone. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main navigation and your trading interface. Starting from the home screen makes it easier to follow the next steps without missing any menu options. Next, look toward the bottom left area of the screen and tap on Chart. This takes you into the chart view, where you can analyze price movement and apply drawing tools. If you were previously on another tab, like Quotes or Trade, switching to the chart section is important because the drawing tools are only available from the chart screen. Once you're inside the chart view, tap anywhere on the chart itself. This helps bring up the on-screen controls and makes the chart active, so you can begin interacting with it. If you don't see additional options right away, tap once more gently on an open area of the chart. After that, find the shape icon that includes a triangle, square, and circle, and tap on it. This icon opens the Drawing Tools menu. In MT5 Mobile, this is where you access visual tools used for chart analysis, including lines and other shapes. If the screen feels crowded, take a second to identify the correct symbol before continuing. From the Drawing Tools menu, tap on Line. This selects the line tool that you'll use as your trend line. Choosing the correct tool here matters because it allows you to place a clean directional line across the price chart. Now draw on the chart. Place the line by dragging across the section of the chart where you want your trend line to appear. Try to align it with the price movement you want to highlight so the line looks neat and useful for analysis. You can usually adjust your placement by being deliberate with where you start and end the line. And that's it. You've now drawn a trend line on MT5 Mobile. As a quick tip, it helps to zoom in slightly before drawing if you want more precise placement. With a little practice, adding trend lines becomes fast and natural, making chart analysis much easier on mobile.